Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your Amazon account. Whether you're ready to shop, track an order, or manage your account settings, knowing how to access your Amazon account quickly is essential. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main Amazon interface with all its features and shopping categories displayed. Take a moment to let the page fully load before proceeding to the next step. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Here you'll see an option that says Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Sign In. This action will redirect you to Amazon's login page where you can enter your credentials. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter either your mobile number or email address associated with your Amazon account. Type in whichever you used when you first created your account. This step is important because it helps Amazon identify your specific account from their system. After entering your mobile number or email, click the Continue button to proceed to the next stage of the login process. The page will refresh, and you'll now see a field asking for your password. Carefully type in your Amazon account password. Make sure you're entering it correctly as passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered your password, click the Sign In button. Amazon will verify your credentials, and if everything matches their records, you'll be logged into your account successfully. And that's it. You're now logged into your Amazon account and ready to browse, shop, or manage your settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.